She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video. In today's video we are installing a windshield banner courtesy of Upturnprints. You guys may recognize them as Corolla since I have done a collab with them before. They are now running a vinyl company as well. Here's a little sneak peek of their emblem overlay that's fully customizable for the GR Corolla Hatch and the 2023 Corolla Hatch. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first step you guys have to do is clean off your windshield with a soapy water solution. That's just a spray bottle with 1 or 2 drops of soap. The reason why we do use that is to clean out any dirt, grime, wax that is on your windshield. And also do not use Windex because the vinyl does not react well to the Windex. Just make sure you thoroughly clean the part of the windshield you will apply the banner to. So second step is you want to mock up the banner to the windshield. You want to use that camera as a guide. You also will get some rough estimates on the side, which is just a little over 9 inches. But after that, you do want to use that camera as an exact measurement, which is 5.5 inches. After you do match up the camera with the banner, then that's when you start mocking up the sides. So we did end up choosing 9.25 inches as our final measurement. Feel free to use that as a guideline for your banner install. You can either choose it higher or lower. Just make sure to put tape on both sides at the exact measurement just to have an even fitment of that banner. So just for you guys that do want to stay legal, there is a mark right here. Let me try to get the camera to focus. It's right there. This is the legal line. If you go any lower than that, you can get pulled over because it does obstruct your vision from driving. So if you guys go any lower than this, you guys do risk getting a ticket. But I've had the banner on my other car for more than 3 years and I had no issues. Just a little warning so you guys know. Sometimes stuff happens and you forget your squeegee, but one thing that you can do is grab any credit card or any game card you have around and just put it in the middle and then just create it as a squeegee, and you'll have a nice edge to apply that banner. It is preferred for you to use a squeegee, but when push comes to shove, the best thing you can do is grab a credit card and a microfiber cloth and use it as a squeegee. One quick tip for you guys: if you guys don't want to scratch your brand new glossy banner, you do got to lubricate it before you put it on. So it's as simple as doing a couple sprays. It's the same thing like for your paint. When you dry wipe your paint, you do scratch it up. Same thing applies for the banner. So just wet the squeegee beforehand. Just avoid any scratches on your brand new banner. So as you peel back, you do want to wet it because if it does touch one another, it will get stuck. So you do need a little bit of help from someone else just to make this process a little easier. If it is windy out, I wish you guys the best of luck, like today. So not only spray on the banner but also on the windshield itself, just to give it another layer of lubricant. When it's a little windy out like this, it's great to have a partner just to keep that banner nice and stretched out. So now this is where those rough estimates do come into play. You also want to add a layer of that soapy water solution on top of the banner just to prevent any scratches, especially since this banner is gloss black. It's easy to get scratched, so you do want to add a layer of lubricant from that soapy water. So you guys always want to start from the middle, from the inside out. And if you guys do see any wrinkles, just peel back that banner and reapply that soapy solution. This is a little warm out and then right in the sun, we do apply more soapy water We do recommend for it to be applied on a day that is cool out or in a shaded area, just to make the install a little bit more easier. Right now we're having a little wrinkles, so the way we are addressing that issue is we are peeling back that vinyl just carefully, taking it off and then reapplying that water and squeegeing out the areas that are wrinkled. So here what he's doing, he's just going up to the very edge. You don't want to tuck in the banner.
So you actually could run it against the glass very slowly and smoothly. But it only works when it's dry. And you don't want to go too deep because it'll cut the rubber inside.
One tip before you start cutting, we highly recommend to let the banner dry so it won't create any waves while you cut.
Not cut yet.
So after you peel off all the excess material, this is the time where you want to start cutting off any extra stragglers that are there. This is basically your detail touch-up part. Again, be slow, be patient. It is very a meticulous job, but if you guys do take it slow, the banner will come out pretty seamless, and it looks like you actually had a pre-cut banner just slapped on there.
Noise though. Is it it's a bypass valve, right?
Yeah.
I don't want to send it too hard.
No, go ahead, send it. First, thank you for installing that banner for me. That banner looks great. Tell me a little bit about the banner. What do you guys have to offer to people out there? You guys ship? Do you guys do local only? Tell me a little bit about your business.
So we do local. Local, obviously, if you're local around the area, we do offer installs, but we do ship majority of our products. So we ship, from just regular car decals to banners to any printing related stuff you can think of in general. So even like shirts, window graphics, anything you can think of printing related is what we mainly do.
So what do you consider local for you?
Anywhere in the Los Angeles area, San Gabriel Valley, and pretty much the surrounding areas from there. We do travel, we do installs for retail stores as well, if you're interested in that. But we do offer like car installs for like banners or stickers or whatever you need.
So besides personal use cars, what else do you guys do? Because I do see that you guys have done business vans and stuff like that, like different type of window installs where the whole window is full of vinyl. What's that about?
Yeah, so we install vinyl for like shop windows or even like perf. So some people that want like privacy but be able to see out, they usually get the perf material. Regular, banners that you see on the outside, A-frames, all that stuff. Any marketing material for businesses we do offer as well.
So we did a banner install today. So what kind of banners do you guys offer?
So we offer a variety type of banners. So we offer, something simple as sun strips for blocking out the sun, or we offer die cuts for the lower or top banner. We offer multicolor ones, so two-tone. So if you want like you have it, the black and white, or we offer full digital ones as well. As for pricing, it kind of varies. So feel free to just check out our website at upturnprints.com or hit us up on our IG and DM us for a quote. Our IG is going to be at Upturnprints.
Why should someone choose your company instead of any other company out there?
For us, we care very highly about our quality, so we do take a lot of extra steps to make sure we maintain our quality and our services to everyone.
So what are your initial thoughts of the GR Corolla?
It's pretty good for the most part. Pretty quick, pretty nimble, pretty light for like a car like this. I mean, it's a pretty light car in general, so it's not too bad compared to some of the other like manual cars I've driven.
So what would you say the difference from the 2023 regular Corolla and the GR Corolla? Is there a difference in comfortability? Do you feel like if it's at home? Do you feel like it's just a car with just more power? What do you think?
It's very similar cars for the most part. I would say that it snugs you a lot more than the regular Corolla. The seating position, I would say it's a little different for the car. There being a clutch, it sits a little differently. I would say because usually when you drive a manual car, you're seating a little further back. But I think the seating position in general is pretty different. The engine itself, definitely a lot more power. Definitely nice noises that's coming from the engine. So the bypass valve and the engine itself, it's definitely a deeper tone. Even though this already has exhaust on there, it's definitely a different tone and a deeper tone due to the 3-cylinder versus the 4-cylinder. But other than that, it's a pretty nice car.
Thank you, Jackie, for coming out and helping us out doing this banner install. I really do appreciate you. So if you guys ever interested in some digital printing for your car, for your business, please feel free to check them out. I highly recommend them. They're really invested in their work and their quality of work is really high. I 100% recommend them. So please check their Instagram out. Thank you guys for checking out the video. Catch you guys next time.